Hey guys, John Ortiz with BigYield.us. Today I'm here to remind you about our lunch and learn that we're going to be having February 9th at 11:30 here at the Farm Shop Warehouse located in Garden City, Missouri. We're going to be talking about our BigYield products. We're going to be talking about our Infurrow products. We're going to talk about some other lending opportunities. We're going to have a spray drone here, going to be going over the spray drone, what it can do. Going to be doing a little demo after we eat lunch. We're also going to be talking about a nitrogen fixation product. You guys have heard about it. We're going to talk about it, and we've got those guys here gonna come talk to you and tell you all about it. Again, February 9th, 11:30, lunch and learn. If you can't make it, we're going to go ahead and live stream this. Click the link below. February 9th, lunch and learn, 11:30. Have any questions, give us a call, send us an email. Thank you very much, and have a great day.